So we're out now, we've had our breakfast again, and now we're going down to
the front.
Right. So I'll tell you what, it's got a breeze. What's the thing today? Oh, it's only 20. It's only 20 degrees today. But was it?
It's nice, don't want it too hot.
Yeah. But it's nice. It is nice, and that little breeze, what's coming through, it just cools you down a little bit. So
You're not sweating, are you?
no, you're not sweating, but you can feel that the sun's out there, ready to pop out. Just going to show you how busy it is now in Los Cristianos. Have a look at this. Beaches are completely packed now. Well, not packed, still places to get lounges and things like that. So it looks like we're going back to the normal now. It's red hot now. What would you say? It's more than 20 now. Oh. Well, if we find out what it is, we'll tell you. Loads of cafes, bars, restaurants, shops, everything. Never short of a drink anyway. Let's have a little look round. This is the Bora Bora restaurant. Bora Bora. So we're now at the beach and we're just chilling, trying to get a couple of rays on our body. Looks like so then we look like we've been more than well, this is our third day in 2.5 days. So it's quite warm, it's lovely. I mean, look at the views we've got over there on this side. That's the sort of views we've got now. So it's nice and sunny, skies are blue, it's up cloud in. There's not a lot of cloud, so it's quite nice. So yeah. So it's going to be a nice chilling day today, just relaxing on the beach, just feeling jam, and be here for a few hours, and then we'll go and get something to eat after. But it's a nice day, it's a lovely day. You're missing it. What they've said it's been like in Tenerife, with the beaches not being as busy. It is very, very busy now, but in a good way. It's not a bad way. There's loads of people on the beach and everyone's enjoying themselves. Like I said, it's Jan's birthday today and she's chilling out on the beach. She's quite content, aren't you? I'll just show you.
Hello! One beer.
So she's chilling now, and we've got the lucky man walking past us and behind us selling beer. It makes a change compared to bracelets and sunglasses. I'll just show you around what it's like. else do you do when you're on holiday? You come here. Even the buns are different here. And look at these. I just realised what I've just done. I said look at the buns and you've just seen Jan's boobs. Right, so I'm going to go give you a quick look round now. Where we are. We've got McDonald's at the side of us and we've got Chucky's restaurant steakhouse. So I'm just going to show you.
Hello, sir.
Hiya.
Come and say hello.
Tomorrow.
Hello, caballeros. Welcome to Tenerife.
Well, has it been a good day?
Yeah.
Are we getting a tan though?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's been a good day.
There's all years
Been mooching round, found a few things, found a few places. So it's now walking back,
Yeah, but you're going wrong way.
but we don't know where we're walking to.
Up there.
I'll tell you something, there's never short of somewhere to eat or drink. It's absolutely food, clothes, shops, yeah, food and more food. Just show you a quick round.
That'll be alright for Reggie's bedroom.
Chemist. Just side street after side street. To be honest, I've watched quite a few videos on YouTube and I haven't seen any of this, and it doesn't do it any justice being here compared to watching the video. It's absolutely brilliant.
But they have something at night here.
Yeah, like Jan's just said, I reckon they might have something on at night time here, but it's absolutely, it's packed. It's not packed, it's just a nice,
Comfortable.
yeah, comfortable. It's, let's have a look at some properties, what they're selling for. Let's have a look.
Yeah, there's our budget 74,000. It's not bad actually.
If you're thinking of buying over here, you've still got the 90-day rule though. So you've got to spare 200 grand, you get a nice decent property here. So that's our walk around today. It's been quite good, quite nice day out, and we've just basically come in here to the supermarket to get Jan's wine, so she can have a nice little drink on the balcony. So yeah, so thanks for watching for today. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, like and share. If there's anything you want to see, just give us a comment below and I'll try and video it for you. So see you on the next one. Bye for now.